Hello friends. Today we're diving into the details of the Porsche Macan. Wishing you all a great viewing experience. More than a few compact luxury SUVs are dull little things. But the Porsche Macan is one of only a handful that prove daring and exciting to drive. Despite its rather shed-like shape, the Macan embodies plenty of Porsche sports car characteristics. The base Macan comes with a 261 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that generates a respectable amount of zip. Macan S gets a 375 HP twin-turbo V6 that delivers a significant leap in performance, making it the second mightiest of the Macan line before deferring to the more furious 434 HP Macan GTS, which we review separately. The Macan steering and ride make carving through challenging twisty roads as easy as slicing soft butter. Thanks to a chassis designed for performance over cargo space, it's unmatched in terms of driving feel. So, while the boxier BMW X3M will carry more luggage, the Macan carries more of what enthusiasts crave: pure driving soul. Its unmatched athleticism helped earn it a place on our 10 best trucks and SUVs list again this year. What's new for 2024? Porsche makes no significant changes for the Macan for 2024. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Porsche Macan starts at $62,550 and goes up to $73,950 depending on the trim and options. Given the Macan's athletic character, we'd skip the base powertrain and go straight for the V6 powered S, which brings a meaningful bump in performance. Standard features include a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 10-speaker audio system, and LED headlights. We'd also splurge a little for the premium package for its heated front and rear seats, adaptive headlights, and an upgraded 14-speaker audio system. The Sport Chrono Pack has our attention too, for its driver-adjustable drive modes and launch control feature, engine, transmission, and performance. With the base turbo 4-cylinder, the Macan bounds to 60 miles per hour in just 5.0 seconds. It feels sprightly around town, but speed freaks will want to upgrade to the twin-turbo V6 powered S model at our test track. The Macan S was only a few seconds behind the more powerful GTS with a 3.8-second 60 mph time. The Macan S is significantly quicker than the times posted by the Audi SQ5 and Jaguar F-Pace S. An SUV probably doesn't need to launch off the line as quickly as that, but we sure appreciate it. Quickness is important in a crossover with sporting intention, but we wouldn't be nearly as impressed with the Macan if it weren't for its all-around competence on the road. It feels remarkably like a sports sedan. The ride is wonderfully smooth and carefully controlled, and it's rare for a jolt from the pavement to make itself known to the driver. The steering is a tad lighter than it is in Porsche's sports cars, but it's still micrometer accurate and pleasantly tactile. Towing and payload capacity. Given its Porsche pedigree, you might expect the Macan to be hitchless, but it does have a minimal trailering capacity of 2,000 pounds. Moving up from the 4-cylinder to the V6 powered Macan S and GTS, that maximum towing capacity rises to 2,400 pounds. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Most efficient Macan, according to the PA, is the base model with the turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, which is rated for 19 mpg city and 25 mpg highway. The Macan S, which is powered by the twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6, is rated for 17 mpg city and 23 mpg highway. Fuel economy loop. The Macan S averaged 26 mpg, bettering its highway figure by 3 mpg. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Macan standard interior fittings are a disappointment in a crossover of this price and provenance, and it's expensive to outfit one in a manner that befits the Porsche crest. There's also less space for backseat passengers in the Macan than in most competitors. The power-adjustable seats for the driver and front passenger, while comfortable, are the only pieces of standard interior equipment that feel luxurious. You could have the whole interior draped in leather, which would partly address the issue. But Porsche, living up to its price-gouging reputation, requires an extra $2,230 just to cover the dashboard and doors in cowhide. A puny cargo hold and small interior cubbies make the Macan one of the least practical vehicles in this segment. But when has buying a Porsche ever been a rational choice? We fit 6 carry-on bags behind the bench, and 16 with the rear seats folded, which should be enough for most people. Infotainment and connectivity. Porsche's infotainment system can be had with all manner of high-tech features, but they'll cost you. USB ports and 12-volt outlets are sprinkled throughout the cabin, so everyone should be able to keep their devices fully charged. A Wi-Fi hotspot and Apple CarPlay come standard, but no Macan offers Android Auto. Safety and driver assistance features. The Macan is available with a wide array of driver assistance technology, but almost none of it is standard. Standard lane departure warning 1. Available automated emergency braking 2. Available adaptive cruise control 3. Warranty and maintenance coverage. For Porsche's warranty coverage is good but not great. The F-Pace and the Cadillac XT5 offer better coverage in certain areas. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles 1. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles 2. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles. Thanks everyone for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like videos.